Have you ever tried to navigate through your app only to find that your button doesn't take you where you want to go? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the issue of linking a button to another page in your app. I totally get it. You have a button and you want it to take you to the second page of your app, but it just isn't working. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge when building their applications. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I link my button to the second page of my app?" They provided a snippet of their code, and it looks like they have already imported the second page. Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what could be the issue here? Often, the problem lies in how the button's on-press function is set up. We'll break it down step by step so you can easily link your button to the desired page. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you streamline your navigation in the app. To link the button to the second page, the user should first wrap the button in a touchable component. This allows the button to respond to user interactions. Next, the user needs to define a function that will handle the navigation. This function will be called when the button is pressed. Now, the user should ensure that the navigation prop is passed to the component. This is essential for the navigation to work correctly. Finally, the user should test the button to confirm that it successfully navigates to the second page when pressed. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers were so basic that they didn't even support images? We've come a long way in app development, but sometimes the simplest things can trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use React Router. You can create a route for the second page and use the link component to navigate there. For more details, check the React Router documentation. If you're not using React Router, you can still link the button to another page by using the onClick event to redirect to a new URL. However, this method is less sophisticated and may not be ideal for larger applications. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your navigation setup and ensure that all pages are correctly linked. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. Your button should now successfully link to the second page of your app. Remember, proper navigation setup is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our bonus pro tip on enhancing your app's user experience.